Oh. All right, so I am out here at Tannery Knobs. It is cold and I'm gonna do some riding. Lucas and Dylan might pull up later, so that'll be cool. All right, I'm gonna go hit some trails. Whew. The dirt, premium, so good. This is nice. I put a picnic table and some benches up here. Dude, these leaves are actually insane. I can't see like where my wheels are going at all. All right, I'm gonna try and complete this little skills course here. All right, Mountain Express. Haven't ridden this one in a while. I hope my camera's recording. Oh my gosh, we're freaking leaf surfing right now. Oh. You gotta watch your tires on these turns. Oh. That's always so sketchy. Pretty nice view here. Up on top. Flags majestically billowing up there. I'm gonna drop into Panorama now. Whew. Oh, I almost lost it right there. Oh, shoot. My rear tire's feeling a little bit low. I gotta pump it up when I get to the car. No trees. Oh, that's so sick. What is this? Huh? Oh, that's the new trail right there. That's so sick. All right, I'm gonna hit that one next. It's gonna be a bonus lap. Yo, oh my gosh. Hold up. This stuff was not here last time I rode here. I gotta hit that again. How are you supposed to clear that? What the heck? Oh, that freaking, that was not good. Oh. These are like, if you're racing here, these are like the hardest turns to go fast on because they're so flat.
She's young. She's she's super friendly.
I'm now doing breakfast club to Cumberland Braps, I believe. This is the name of the trail. That might be wrong. I'll correct it in the editing if it is. But this trail is actually so fun to go down. There's a pretty schmeezy double you can do down here. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, well, that was not the run of my life, but I'll take it. That trail's so fun. Oh, yeah, that was not it right there. All right, back up to the top, and I'm gonna ride Valhalla. Oh shoot! Ah! T-bog train. Oh, dude, bro, I almost died on the first one. What?
Did you pull for it?
Anyway.
Did you pull for it?
Did I what?
Did you pull for a suey?
No.
Oh.
No, I just yanked really hard and I went sideways. Nope. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh. Yo.
Was it snowing a second ago?
Yeah. Oh. Dude, I'm never gonna get that gap again since I broke my hand on that.
I got the...
Ooh. Not brappable. You want the black?
Yeah, I'll do it. Slow,
Okay.
Though.
Dropping in. Oh, God, dude. Oh. Bro, I hit that so bad. Oh my gosh. That's so good.
The new fork feels really good. This thing's silent now.
Sick. How much does that cost?
It's retail $1,100, but I got it on Commensal for like $600.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. No! You good?
Are you recording?
Yeah. It's a winter wonderland up in here. Jesus Christ. Dropping. Oh my goodness. Max is... Oh my God, I can't see. Max is tripping out a little bit because he hasn't touched a bike in a while. Ooh! You! Oh my God! Oh yeah. They only get out the way. Oh.
That looks sick from here.
Oh no, bro.
You actually see the snow on this one.
Oh.
I think the other one's hotter, but still good.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yo. Oh. Good ride. Good ride. All right. Later.
Lucas, can I hit it on yours?
Snaps his frame. That'd be so funny. All right. Later.
See you, Joe.
Oh.